Alright, fast forward to 289 back again. This is part 2 of the oil change video on the 2011 Ford Edge. I already cleaned the bolt up. It's good. I wiped all the oil off of it. Now I'm going to come under here and clean up the pan. It's dripping. Get all the oil off of it, clean it up really good. Alright, like so. And it's probably going to drip a little bit. It's going to be hard to stop it because there's still a little bit of residual in it. But get as much as you can off, and you take the bolt and reinstall it. And I take a 15mm wrench and tighten it back up. Now, you don't have to tighten the hell out of this, but it does need to be fairly snug so it don't leak oil. Some of y'all like to crank the shit out of it, but this is in aluminum, so you don't want to over tighten it. Just snug it up. Wipe off your excess oil. Alright, now we come up to the front where we have the oil filter goes. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky. I'm trying to hold it. I need to get me a stand, but I ain't bought one yet. But I'm going to clean up your gasket surface, and sometimes the gasket will stick to the block, so make sure that the gasket is not stuck, because if it is, it will not seal properly and you'll have a major leak. So clean this up really good. Alright, after that, get your oil filter. Like I said, I already put some oil in the filter, already rubbed oil around the gasket, so we're good to go. And for this, when it snugs up, I had to give it a couple turns. Until it's snug. Again, you don't want to over tighten it because they actually get tighter usually after they've been heated up. And the gasket sticks and all that, and so it can be a pain to get off. But do that, it shouldn't leak. And you'll be able to get it off with your hand next time you change the oil instead of having to use a wrench. So, alright, now that's done. Now we can get up. Pull the pan out from under the car. Grab our trash. And tools. And let the car down. Now in this car, the oil goes in right here. Pull that off. Get us a funnel. Make sure your funnel is cleaned out so you got a little bit of dirt in there. So I'm just going to take a paper towel. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Alright, after that, we can add oil. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in this 5-quart jug. That way the little jug, if I need to add any later for some reason, we'll have a little extra. I just usually take my knife and pop this open. Alright, now we can pour in the 5W20 full synthetic oil. And once you pour some oil in, I like to stop and look underneath the vehicle to make sure we don't have no oil leaks. Make sure you don't see no oil leaking from where the plug is at or the oil filter, which the oil filter wouldn't leak till after you cranked it up. But if everything looks good, you can proceed to fill it up. Crank the vehicle up after you put your 5.5 quarts in. Crank it up, let everything run for a minute, shut it off, let it sit a minute, and check your oil, and if it's full, you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.